Hi everybody, in today's video I'm going to be showing you guys what I got for polish pickup for the month of October, right? I think, yes, October. Um, so I picked up a few things. I'm really excited. So let's swatch the polishes I got first. So I have a couple of like fully, except for a couple of places, used nail wheels, which I know is kind of weird, but I want to just get them used, so that's what I'm gonna do. First polish I picked up, you guys, look at this polish. Look at it. I am mesmerized right now. So this is called Sugar Spice and Everything Nice. This was based on the Powerpuff Girls, which is not something I've been into or ever seen. But when I saw this pink, I just knew I had to have it. And when I opened the package, it was like love at first sight. I feel like this polish is just like me in a bottle and really fun. And so I'm super excited. So let's go ahead and, oh my goodness, and swatch this. This kind of has similar feelings to me for polishes. I think it's Passion Flower, which is one of my favorite polishes ever. And the only thing about this one is it's more pink. I feel like that one leans a little more coral. Oh my gosh, you guys. Totally and completely mesmerized. That is beautiful. So we'll come back and second coat that in a bit. Then I'm going to get my other weird nail wheel. And this is Glisten and Glow's Truly Outrageous. This is based on Gem and the Holographics. And again, when I pulled this out of the package, I was just like, oh my gosh. It's so beautiful. Again, I feel like this is just another polish that's very, very me. So I'm really excited that I decided to pick this one up too, because last month was hard to know. And I almost didn't get this. But I'm glad that I came to my senses. So very glitter packed, a lot of glitter coverage on that first coat. Really, really pretty. So, let's go back and put a second coat on the Moonshine Manny. If y'all are pink lovers, I hope you guys decided to get this because it's really perfect. The second coat kind of deepens up the base color. And man, this is just so pretty. I'm sure you guys will be seeing this on me on a summer Sunday soon, just because it is perfect. And then let's second coat this Glisten and Glow. So this is a little bit more sheer than what I'm used to from some of my other Glisten and Glow Crowleys. Not that I have a ton, but a little bit on the sheer side, but it's still like gorgeous. I'm not gonna third coat this for you guys just because I don't know, I'm just not. But man, so pretty. You guys, look at that on my nail. Oh my gosh. Not my nail, but you know what I mean. So beautiful. Oh my gosh, I cannot wait to wear that. And then let's, oh, I just put my finger in the Moonshine Manny. I'm sorry. But look. Oh my god, so flattering, so gorgeous, so much pop. Those are the two polishes I picked up. And then I got myself some of these mini bottles because I got the polish making kit. So I got 8 mini bottles to make my polishes, and then this is the fun stuff here. I'm really excited for this. So I got the let's see, let me make this small. The DIY MiniLab, the Grinch, from DRK Nails. And I was wanted to like rip it open as soon as I got it out of the package, but I was like, no, let's film it. Like, don't be crazy. Film it with your people. But it came with a picture of this, which is Whoville, and then the Grinch is here. I love that movie, you guys. So, so cute. And then it came with a little card, and the card says, thank you for your support. MiniLab was created for everyone who wants to have a fun time creating your own polish. And then she has some blogs and Facebook groups that you can join if you get the kit, like for info. So I think that's really cool that you get like support. I already joined the group. There's lots of fun ladies in there making lots of fun polish, giving out tips, doing all kinds of fun stuff. So really exciting. So I don't even want to open it because it's so cute, but I'm going to open it because we need to know what's inside. Okay, so in the kit is sort of this little like kind of reminds me of the containers you can get at Walmart to like take your soap with you somewhere, like a bar soap. That's random, but that's what it reminds me of. Then you have this little DRK nails paper here. I want to be very proper in opening, and then I'm just like, no, rip it open. So let's see what. There's a lot of stuff in here. Let's see what I got. So I think there was different kits that had different things, like different pigments and stuff. So this is the suspension base. It's 2 ounces. It's 5 free. So there's that. You get some little mixing balls to put into your polish bottles. That's nice. Oh, what else is in here? Ooh, this is very fun. Silver hollow glitter flake. Y'all know how I feel about that. Very exciting, very fun. Ooh, these look really pretty. Chrome flake multicolor 6. Ooh, look at that, you guys. Oh my gosh. More stuff. Pastel flake magenta coral blue. You guys, shut up right now. You get some little mixing cups to mix your polish. These look like the cups you could buy like for your bathroom to kind of rinse out your mouth. Oh, what is this? Shimmer turquoise. Do not overdose this. Just add a tiny amount. Thank you for telling me that, because I would overdose. Doesn't look turquoise. Oh yeah, it does. It doesn't look turquoise, but when you move it around, it does. So then you get some, I'm assuming this is pigment. Cayenne, magenta, and yellow. Ooh, very pretty. A thermal blue to purple, and a magnetic green to taupe. That's interesting as well. You get a little mixy spoon. I don't know if you guys have 31 flavors where you live, but we have Baskin-Robbins 31 flavors, and you can get those little pink spoons to like try the ice cream. This reminds me of that, and I'm like getting all the feels right now. So when me and my cousin and sister were little, we would go to Baskin-Robbins, and we would sample like all of these ice creams. Like the people probably wanted to kill us, but then we would eat what we finally chose, and we always chose the same thing. Why we tried everything, we were just pains in the butt. But we would get the pink mini spoon and eat our whole ice cream with that. And this is what that reminds me of. You get some like mixing sticks here. I would assume these are some kind of glitter. I don't think this is something for nail art. I would assume it's some kind of glitter. I have multi-chrome powder. Ooh, very pretty. Diamond red. Some sort of diamond shimmer there. Glow in the dark lilac blue. Ooh, you guys, very fun. And then, oh, this is not labeled. I'm not sure what that is. Hollow, it looks like maybe some sort of holographic. And then here you get black, white, and hollow. So lots of fun stuff, but now I'm just like, now what? I feel like I don't know what to do with it. So I'm definitely gonna have to read up on the group instead of just like lurking around and see what everybody is doing with their stuff. Like, how does it work? So I'm really excited though to make my own polish. I think that that's fun. It's something I've been interested in, so I'm really excited to see how I feel about it. So Let me know if you guys picked up any of the stuff that I got. Let me know what your thoughts are on what I did pick out. And let me know, what you guys got. Did you enjoy it? Did you all get the kit? Are you in the group? If you did get the kit, I would love to see what y'all are making. Or if you've already had a kit, maybe some pointers. So leave everything in the comments down below. And I will see y'all in the next video. I hope you're having an amazing day. Bye.